last time we were at Pendulates, you provided us a proclamation. So, because it's our 30th, a big man now, big people now, right? So we can give proclamations.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
Alright. So, this is what it says. Nice logos at the top. Proclamation congratulating Alsion Wilson OD, Consul General of Jamaica to New York, as a Bickle Ambassador Award. Whereas Alsion Wilson has embarked on an inspiring journey from the parish of St. Catherine near St. Anne, Jamaica, to become a beacon of determination and success. Whereas her esteemed career has been marked by exemplary service and leadership in both the financial sector and diplomatic arena. Whereas Alsion's commitment to philanthropy and community engagement has left an indelible mark on both Jamaica and the United States. Whereas she has tirelessly advocated for the empowerment of youth through initiatives such as the Jamaican Open, New York Golf Championship, and collaboration with organizations like the Palmyra Foundation and Books for Kids Jamaica. Whereas her outstanding achievements have been recognized through numerous awards and accolades, now therefore be it proclaimed that I, Erwin Clare, OD, on behalf of Team Jamaica Bickle, hereby acknowledge and honors our friend Alsion Wilson for her years of unwavering support and dedication to Team Jamaica Bickle and the Jamaican diaspora for serving others, her profound impact on bilateral relations, and her relentless pursuit of excellence. Given under my hand and sealed this day, 3/29/2024, the day before my birthday, I present this to